Hi everyone! I have this.
Dude, it's mine.
It shoots. And it comes out.
We done the like.
And they come out. I'm in the playroom right now. Ah! It was funny. And I can't squish. I'll be right back.
You can't squish it right now?
And I have this squishy. It'll come out. See, it's squishy. Squishy. Just squish it down.
Oh, you can only have it to 5 minutes, okay? It's set 5 minutes. And I got something for you.
I can laugh and see it. It's my brother.
Yeah,
It's my dad. It's my brother's. His name is Guess. My name is Ella. And he.
passcode. I'm showing you guys.
And then
Yeah, we're toad. Wait, what am I doing? It won't work. Come on.
Let me start over.
Wait, no. Wrong. Wait till you're on top. Yeah. So, let's do this, everyone. Are you ready? Boom. I'm not going to open right now. There's a puzzle when you have a lot of stuff, don't you?
Start now.
What's my tape?
And then.
What's wrong?
It's hilarious.
Yes. Funny.
Yeah. How you do? I'll shake it. Out. And I kind of squish it. Ew. Lucas, come on.
This is real, okay? Because the thing spins.
Hi. I'm flapping this all out.
Is it 5 minutes? Nope. Free, okay.
And I
Get
can
something for you guys.
It's
Say it, please.
and it's all flat.
It's flying!
Stop. Stop.
Who's ready? That thing is flying. It's done. Oh, you want to see it lift off?
I'm doing something.
Oh, watch! See, it landed! It's nice. That's a good one. Oh my goodness. It's done. I can't take it anymore. This is it.
This is my video.
I think you should be done the video at 59. It's 5 minutes already. That's all we need to put on YouTube.
So
Well, you have to wait into...
I'm gonna watch it.
Okay.
I said percent.
You don't have to shoot the video while you're all doing that. Bye!